5 Best PC Cases. Number 5. Corsair Carbide Series 270R. Intuitive internal layout enables quick 240mm radiator in the top. Room for up to 360mm radiator in front. Rugged steel drive trays provide ample room. 120mm radiator in the rear. Unobstructed panels deliver an understated look. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Mastercase H500P. Rearrange SSDs across the motherboard tray. On the back with the SSD bracket. 3 120mm RGB fans are pre-installed behind. The case supports up to 3 120mm front fans. 4-pin male-to-male adapters are included. 4mm thick edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. NZXT S340 VR. The most durable of cases is capable of exhibiting. Forged from strong NZXT S340 Elite No Power Supply ATX Mid-Tower. Item weight, 15.6 pounds. Expansion slots, 7. Minimalist style and everything you need. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Thermaltake Core P90. Two-sided glass viewing protection. Angle your PC in multiple ways. Build from a different angle isolating components. Flexibility for custom PC enthusiasts. Provides multiple configurations. Two-way GPU placement allows vertical GPU mounting. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Thermaltake View 91. Supporting proper placement for 120mm. Provides multiple configurations. Surrounded in 5mm thick tempered glass panels. Flexibility for custom PC enthusiasts. For pre-installed Ring Plus 14 RGB fans. 140mm radiator applications up to 480mm in length. Please check the description for detail and price.